What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm still here in Five Below, just trying to squeeze in one more video before they close. So I'm back here in room decor, and right away I'm noticing some new water bottles. They have been stocking up the shelves. They are adding a lot of new things for summer. So let's see what else is new back here in room decor. You guys are always wanting to see what's new in room decor. They always have so many cute things. And you guys are always like, please spend more time in room decor. They have the little night lights here, the Himalayan night lights. Oh, you guys, I'm seeing new stuff. Look. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at this Mickey Mouse cup. Aw, these are so cute. These are brand new. It says Mickey Mouse on the inside. It says Disney underneath, and it says Fab NY. Those are so cute. Circular photo display. A canvas bin. A scented pillowcase. It says Touch Me. Scent activated with touch. A little paper scroll of a bunch of little plants. This is a little dream catcher. These dream catchers are cute. Aw, is this new? The cute little unicorn. They always have really, really cute plushies. Aw, they're all so soft. They have a bunch of incense. Wild sage, the Palo Santo little sticks that you can light if you're into smudging. They have the aroma diffusers, the cute little photo frames, the USB powered desk fan. You guys don't have to worry about these running out of battery because these are USB powered. They have them in black, white, and pink. Aw, the panda. The panda lunch bag is so cute. And the little mouse. And they have some other character ones too. Maybe you're going to summer camp, or maybe you're going on a family trip and you want to pack something for your kids. I know I have moms watching, I have kids watching. My videos are for everyone, so I try to speak to everyone when I film. And they have 50% off pillows still. Cuddle weather, the candles. We have one rainbow cup left. I think most of these are new. These Squishmallows, they're so soft. The piggy, the little giraffe. Aw, the kitty. Another kitty. Aw, they're so cute. Let's take a quick look through makeup to see if anything is new. I also like to look at fragrances. Oh, they have these back in stock again. The Marvel Venom colognes for boys and men. Royal Stallion. This is their impression of Ralph Lauren Polo Supreme Leather. Okay, I want to smell this. I definitely want to smell this one. This is the tester, so let's try it out. Yeah, that is nice. It smells really warm and rich and really soft. I like that. Let's see if we have any other new scents over here. That is really nice. The air conditioning is blowing really hard, and now I'm really getting a nice scent of it. That is nice. Invincible Extreme. I think that's new. Here it is down here. So it's a dupe for Invictus by Paco Rabanne. Okay, let's look at the makeup. so far I'm not seeing any new makeup. But I do love their makeup, you guys. I really, really like the Smoke and Mirrors brand. And all of this with the pink packaging, that's Smoke and Mirrors. They also have Wet n Wild here. I think some of these blushes might be new. These blushes are $2.99. Some of these are really pretty. Some of those Color Icon lip glosses. Oh, I'm seeing more new stuff, you guys. Look, by Jackie and Lauren. These are brand new. I love the packaging. Those are definitely new for the week. They have all the nail tools. I think they might have some new nails too. I saw some out of place in the store. I think this set is new. Oh, I just love this one. It is so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. They also have the nail dry spray. I've never tried that in my life, but I kind of want to. They also have the nail enamel dryer by Demert. And they have the little tiny nail polish remover little bottles where you can just stick your finger down into the little sponge. Those are $1.25. Ooh, these are so pretty. This is a $5 set. Also, so pretty. They have $4 beauty blenders, $1 nail files. Ooh, this is just so pretty in the light. This is the, what does it say? Salon Formula Strawberry Scented. It removes nail polish, nail glue, glitter polish, and more. And then they also have Maximum Strength. This removes, oh, this is pure acetone. This removes artificial nails, glitter polish, gel polish, nail glue, and nail polish. And then they have this purple one here, and this one is lavender scented. And it removes nail polish, nail glue, and glitter polish. If you guys are going to try out some of their glitter polish or fake nails, then you probably want to get this one, the 100% pure acetone, because I think that would probably be the strongest. Oh, that's so cute. $5 for this little manicure set. And they still have a lot of the $1 Band-Aids. If you guys remember that from last week's video. Let's head back to close really quick. You guys, they are going to be closing any minute, so I'm really pushing it here. But I just wanted to see if they have any new, like, dresses or pool cover-ups. Because if you guys want to have like a nice variety of pool cover-ups, I think this is the place to come. I just think this one is so cute. I really think this one is so cute. And up here in the top ruffle, it's kind of like a light blue. Some more little cover-ups, some rompers. Again, you guys, these are only $5 each. Okay, let's see what we have back here. They have men's shirts, men's tanks. Sometimes they add new bras. They actually add new bras quite often. They have bike shorts and workout shorts. I mean, look at this. It's so cute. I love the lace. The back is just really simple. That's so cute. They have a Toy Story tee. I'm just skimming for new tees. The rainbow. I think this Avengers one is new. They have so many shirts back here, but I don't think many of these are new since last week. To those of you that are super regular with me, I don't want to just keep showing you the same things over and over again, but they do have a lot of tees in here, and a lot of them are really, really cute. Oh, I think they've added these. These are brand new for men, the collared shirt. They've also added this tank with the little tropical pocket. And they've also added, oh, these are swimming trunks. Look, these are swimming trunks. Now, some of you are asking me, does my store have any bathing suits? And no, my store doesn't have any yet, but they do have swimming trunks. And then up here, these are all brand new. These are shorts for men. They've also added this tank for men and this light blue one right here. And it's just elastic with the little button. And last but not least, they've added this pink pair of shorts right here for men. And these have pockets as well. You guys look, they have a huge section of brand new Toy Story 4 toys, headphones, puzzles, shirts, really cute things, party decor. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. The store is now closed, so I gotta get out of here. But all right, you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.